Welcome back to our channel. Hi, for those who are new, my name is Marcus. I'm going to show you today how we can use a very simple strategy to day trade the S&P 500 index profitably. Many people feel that trading is very difficult and it requires a lot of effort, a lot of analytical skills, maybe even insiders information in order to beat the market. But many of our members have used this very simple strategy to be consistently profiting from the market daily, right? Now let's recap a little bit. Based on the video we uploaded previously, talking about trend change and how we determine trend change, let's do some revision, shall we? Now, what are the two factors required for having a trend change or to determine that the trend is confirmed going up or going down? First, we need a price break. Remember that? Okay. Secondly, the second factor which we need is a oscillation. Now, together, price break and an oscillation confirms the direction in which the market is heading. So if the market is heading up, okay, we take a long trade. If the market is heading down, we take a short trade. Okay, I'm very excited about this. Then let's jump on to the strategy. Okay, if we look at this chart, okay, over here, right, the market has gone up and it has broken this resistance. That means it's formed a resistance here which is higher than the previous resistance. The red bars here represents a retracement, a pullback. Okay, it formed a support here which is higher than the previous support. Okay, and as it turns up, it will give me an up oscillation in this case, right? An up oscillation. Now, with the two factors present, we had a price break, we had an up oscillation. This tells me that the market is heading up, and therefore we can pull the trigger here to take a long trade. Now, if you enter here, your entry price will be around 1898.0 or 1898.25, and look at how far it has run. Using this very simple strategy, many of our members have been using this to consistently day trade the S&P 500 index and profit from it on a daily basis. I hope that you have enjoyed and benefited a little from this strategy, okay, from this short video. Okay, do leave us some comments, okay, and share with us your thoughts and what else you would like to see on our channel. Okay, remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification button as well. I'll see you at the next video.